Now you're ready for your first question.
Okay.
Let's do this. What is the opposite of hot?
Cold.
Cold is correct. And for your first prize, you get a 36-inch clamp.
Oh, sweet.
Are you ready for your second question?
Yes, sir.
Let's get after this. For your second question, which animal is known as king of the jungle?
Yeah, lion.
Lion is correct. For your second prize, you get a liquid transfer pump. For your third and final question, what is the height of a fully stacked SpaceX Starship?
100 feet.
It's 100 feet. Your final answer.
Yeah.
Okay, that is incorrect. The correct answer is 398 feet or 121.3 meters. Thanks so much for playing.
Thank you.